Welcome to AI Jumble. Today, we're diving into the world of Albus, an AI-powered knowledge bot which instantly answers your employees' questions with a personalized chatbot trained on your content from Google Drive, Notion, and 100 more. It is a product of the company Springworks. It has a huge customer base with 9,500 plus organizations. By using Albus, over 21,000 employees save time daily and 250,000 plus questions have been asked till now. How does Albus work? Albus is a bot or AI assistant that can be trained to provide answers based on the information in your company's wiki. When integrated into your Slack workspace, Albus can fetch relevant information from your wiki and provide it to users directly within Slack, saving time and effort. One of the main advantages of using Albus is that it helps streamline internal communication within your organization. Instead of employees having to search for information in the wiki or ask colleagues for help, they can simply ask Albus in Slack and receive immediate answers. This makes it easier for employees to access information they need, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. Furthermore, Albus can provide analytics regarding the questions asked within your organization. By tracking the queries and doubts raised by employees, you can gain insights into the knowledge gaps or areas where additional documentation may be needed. This information can be valuable for improving your internal resources and addressing common concerns or misunderstandings. Highlights of Albus. The Albus platform offers a powerful knowledge base feature that enables teams to create a comprehensive repository of information from various sources. It can gather data from platforms such as Google Drive, Notion, and more, allowing you to create a centralized hub of information. This knowledge base can be accessed by team members at any time, making it easier to find and share important information within your organization. In terms of integrations, Albus offers seamless integration with several popular tools and platforms. The Integrations tab on the Albus website provides an overview of the various tools it can integrate with. Some of the notable integrations include Slack. Albus can be integrated with Slack, allowing you to directly access its features and obtain information without leaving your Slack workspace. Jira and Confluence. Albus can integrate with Jira and Confluence, which are popular project management and collaboration tools. This integration enables you to access Albus's knowledge base and retrieve relevant information within these platforms. Wikipedia. Albus can integrate with Wikipedia, one of the largest online encyclopedias. This integration allows you to retrieve information from Wikipedia directly through Albus. Dropbox and GitHub. Albus can also integrate with Dropbox and GitHub, two widely used platforms for file storage and version control. This integration enables you to access and share files stored in Dropbox or GitHub repositories through Albus. Additionally, Albus offers a Chrome extension that enhances your browsing experience. With the extension installed, you can utilize the capabilities of Albus while browsing the web. You can ask questions, summarize information, fill out questionnaires, and even generate intelligently written content using the power of GPT-4. Pricing. The billing is $4.99 per license per month. Your team gets 100 questions per license per month and $4.99 per every 100 questions post that. If you want to opt for an annual subscription, you will get 20% off. Conclusion. In the end, we can say that Albus is designed to be intuitive and easy to use, ensuring that your team can quickly find the answers they need. Its powerful knowledge base feature allows you to build a comprehensive repository of information from multiple sources. By collecting data from various platforms, Albus creates a centralized hub of information that is readily accessible to team members whenever they need it. To learn more about Albus, please visit their website at https://www.springworks.in/albus. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone looking to get listed on AI Jumble, and we are more than just a channel. We've created a vibrant community of AI enthusiasts, developers, researchers, and industry professionals like you. By subscribing, you become a part of this dynamic community where you can exchange ideas, share insights, and collaborate on AI projects.